2012. Long time. Long time. Here's everybody. She's eating a cookie.
What's really good for that one, if you're like, say for example, if you're going out or something like that.
Who's that?
Whatever way you want to
Zombie
say it.
Man. We're back.
Supergirl.
Supergirl.
Santa Claus.
I'm Dolly Parton with my beautiful curly hair.
Yep. So she thinks.
So we're at Mama Beth's house this year. Mama Beth's house this year.
And then just to say though, any
Yeah.
Look at all the candy I got.
That's a lot of candy right there.
They get a lot of candy.
So Dad, what are you doing tomorrow?
School.
Me too. Yeah, it does.
So much.
Very,
Very.
It's on the box.
super.
It's on the box. It's not any kind of Botox or anything.
Super.
It's not Botox. It acts like Botox. That's what we call it. Botox.
Not really.
So the ingredients are here.
Until next time. say good luck, Charlie.
Good luck, Charlie.
Now cover the thing on. No, more than that.